So you're a new affiliate marketer and you're looking for some of the best WordPress plugins so you can help optimize your new website so you can start making some of the big bucks. Well, we at Bridging Online have put together 5 of the must-have affiliate related plugins for you to grab and to step up your game and save you a bunch of time. Alrighty then, let's go! And so in no particular order, the first we're going to talk about is MonsterInsights. Any kind of analytics is absolutely necessary for any serious website, and this is especially so for affiliate marketers. This is so you're able to track and analyze any of your best performing pages, so then you're able to make adjustments and changes to your site to help make you grow. Now, we strongly recommend you simply go with the Google Analytics for this, but use the WordPress plugin called MonsterInsights to install and manage the analytics directly from your website. The team behind MonsterInsights have created the easiest way for you to install Google Analytics for onto your site, which has been notoriously tricky, especially if your theme doesn't have easy access to the header or footer. But not only that, MonsterInsights gives you all the data you need to know right there on your dashboard of your website. It even makes it super easy to automatically track your affiliate links. It comes with a link tracking feature that helps monitor URL clicks, banner ads, and other outbound links. You can then combine this with page insights and other reports for a complete and comprehensive analysis of your entire affiliate site. Most of the core functionality is available in the free version, but they also do have a pro version, and this adds even more features and data to the tracking list, such as e-commerce tracking, ad tracking, author tracking, and more. As the first plugin on our list, we do believe that this is an absolute must-have, and this will make your affiliate life much more easier. And so second on our list is Pretty Links, the affiliate link management plugin. So what this one does, it allows you to manage and track all your affiliate links all in one place. So now you might be thinking, why would I need that? Well, we have the perfect example of why this is useful. When we were selling one of our affiliate websites, the buyers obviously wanted to add all of the links to the sites they have brought. Now, if we didn't have Pretty Links or another similar link management tool, then they would have had to have gone through every single link on the entire site. And this would have been over 200 pages of content with many links on each page. But instead, all they had to do was go into the Pretty Links dashboard and change the links only once. So not only is this a huge time saver, but it also helps to keep your links up to date and reduces the possibility of errors. So say you have to go through those 200 pages and change them all individually. What are the chances of you making an error? And even worse, not noticing you've made that error? I'd say the chances are pretty high. But with a link management tool, those chances are so much lower, as most of the hard work is done programmatically rather than manually. This is genuinely so useful and a must-have for anyone looking to take this seriously. It's not until you have to spend a day or two slogging through hundreds or maybe even thousands of links that you realise that a small annual fee is so worth it. But that's not all. Pretty Links also allows you to easily add links to your WordPress posts by enabling the auto linking feature to automatically add affiliate links for certain keywords. The plugin also allows you to set up redirects, which is a fantastic feature if an affiliate link is returning a 404 error. You can also create short and memorable affiliate URLs for podcasts, social media, or use it to cloak affiliate links, or just make your links more brandable. And to top it off, Pretty Links shows detailed reports in your WordPress admin dashboard. This allows you to see which affiliate links are performing the best on your website to help you optimize the site even more. And so next up on our list is the Yoast SEO. If you've done any kind of research into WordPress SEO or affiliate marketing on WordPress, then the chances are you've heard of Yoast already. This is the go-to SEO plugin for WordPress and has over 5 million active installations. It has developed a lot since it was first released in 2007, and we have used it on every single site that we have worked on. As you probably know, SEO is a very important tool for any affiliate marketer, and getting the on-page page SEO optimized well is easier than ever with the Yoast plugin. It has a nice traffic light system to tell you how well your page is optimized. This allows you to focus more on creating your content as engageable as possible, whilst the Yoast plugin tells you when and where it needs to be improved. For example, if you have forgotten to add images or keywords to the alt tags in your images, then Yoast is there to remind you with a nice red or orange light. In addition to all of this, they also offer some decent training on their website and a lot of useful content to help optimize your site even further. So the next two plugins will be specific to the sites that use their Amazon affiliate program. And so the first one we're going to talk about is the Amazon affiliate WordPress plugin, or the AAWP for short. And this has a range of features that automatically and dynamically adds comparison tables, widgets, product boxes, data fields, and lots more. We have used this extensively as an accompaniment to informational pages or just as a comparison table on our review pages or best of pages. What we love about this is that it makes adding high quality dynamic content to your site super easy. Just add your Amazon affiliate account and get creating. Everything that is created will have your link, so make sure to add it. It's also very affordable, has a huge range of features, and every time we've installed it on a new site, we automatically see a bump in engagement and clicks through to Amazon. This is a very highly recommended plugin, and it should be added to any Amazon affiliate website that you create. And now we've come to the last on our list, the Easy Azon. Easy Azon is one of the best WordPress affiliate plugins to use if you're making money through Amazon. It lets you add your Amazon affiliate links to your blog posts really easily without ever needing to visit Amazon's site. If you've done this before without using Easy Azon, you'll know that it's a bit of a hassle to constantly switch between tabs to grab links and paste them onto your site. But not with Easy Azon. With this plugin, you link your Amazon Associates account to your WordPress site with the Easy Azon plugin installed. And then from the main editing page, there will be an Easy Azon button to automatically search and insert links straight to your post. And this alone saves so much time. But there is another feature that we love. Easy Azon also includes a feature to allow your viewer to add the product to their Amazon basket, which in itself is a nice quality of life feature for your readers. But just as importantly, it adds a 90-day cookie rather than just a 24-hour one. Now, what this means is that if that reader then goes and buys that product from Amazon within the next 90 days, you will get the commission. The combination of these two features alone are enough for us to use on multiple of our sites. But there are some nice additional extras that might be useful as well. Link management. Like with pretty links, you can cloak links automatically to make them shorter and look more professional. Geolocation. The geolocation feature is where you have one link and it takes the reader to their local Amazon website. This used to be the best feature from Easy Azon, but it is now built into the Amazon's affiliate program itself. But it is still a feature, and you may still find some use for it. And one of the best features, it is free. Now, there is a paid version available, but the free version is more than enough in our opinion. And there we go. A quick look at some of the best plugins for your WordPress website if you're trying to make money using affiliate marketing. Some of these are great for any WordPress website, but are absolutely vital for any kind of affiliate marketing. We have used all of these on multiple websites, including the one we love to talk about the most, and that is the one that turned into a $150,000 side project, which you can find out more about by clicking on the video on screen now. We have used this extensively as an accompaniment, accompaniment, We have used this extensively as an accompaniment